Hi, welcome back. Do you have a situation wherein when you start typing a number, Excel magically removes zero in front of it? Then this video is for you. Let's get started. See, for example, I'm typing 076. When I hit enter, it becomes only 76. Why Excel magically removes all these leading zeros is the next question. Say, for example, 056, it removes it again. 049, because Excel considers 080 and 80 as the same. How to retain the zero? This video is all about it. Just do a simple trick. Select the cells where you want this formatting to be applied. Press Ctrl 1 from your keyboard. Go and click on Custom. In the Custom, just go and type 3 times 0 and click OK. Now the magic happens here. 080 retained. 040 retained. 076 retained. 056 retained. This is the speciality of formatting your numbers. No more, no miss. At the same time, if you're not a fan of shortcuts, what you can do is select this, right click on it, and you have got format cells. When you click on it, the same dialog box appears here, and from that you can just go and pick whatever the formatting that you are looking for. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for joining. Stay tuned for more such videos. Good day.